Question number 5. The angle theta between a ramp and a horizontal surface slowly increases from 0. Okay. So initially maybe the ramp was like this over here, and later on slowly we increase it like this over here. Made an angle theta. Okay. An object of the ramp does not slide as theta increases. It is not sliding. What are the forces acting here? This is my normal force. This is the weight mg acting over here. And if this is theta, this is 90. This should be 90 minus theta. I'll write here. This should be 90 minus theta. And if this is theta, if I write a perpendicular here, see, if this is 90, if this is 90 minus theta, this angle should be theta once again. So therefore, the component of mg along this direction should be mg cos theta. Along this direction should be mg sin theta. When will the object not slide? When there is an opposite force acting like this, which is nothing but a frictional force. So frictional force should be equal to mg sin theta. So frictional force on the object is proportional to sin theta. So D is the right answer.